Ito yung login window. We have username and password. First, kailangan ng login window para hindi mapasok yung file. Halimbawa, username, just password, and then okay. Tapos yun, pupunta na sa registration form. Student number, add, please provide student number. Kasi pag nag-add ka, tapos wala pang student number, ganun yung lalabas. Tapos, for example, last name, middle name, course, year, address, date registration, and ito yung student type. We have new and old. Pag clinic yung old, lalabas yung 350. Ito yung payment, cash, halimbawa 500, and then compute. Tapos yung change, yun na lalabas. Kung gusto mo naman i-save yung registration form na ginawa, just save lang. Ayun, lalabas na. Tapos search, kung gusto mong i-search yung student number, just halimbawa 12. Tapos okay, yun, lalabas na yung mga information about sa registration form ng student. Then, kung gusto mo din i-edit, click the edit, and then change the student number. Last name, halimbawa, course, and then save. Ayun, lalabas na doon. So, kung gusto mo din namang i-delete, click mo lang yung button na delete, and then malalabas na, are you sure you want to delete? May command na yes or no. Kapag yes, automatic na magdi-delete yung student number na, yun lang.